It's Juvenis.
I cannot follow musicians waka. Guess go they turn me to photographer. Sometimes I they spread using a me that they run come meet pass on that and go meet in Yanya. Please snap us. I'll call the you know when the question the hungry to ask him, man, you don't know me. Before I come and I say, we know you now, Buffy now, snap. I make I like myself. I'll bend the camera, bend her, cut the girl, leave only her eye. Taking Yanya full. After that, I'll off the phone. Say, your battery is there. When you reach house, only your eye. Now you're the judge, give your friends. They explain. Say, it's me, oh. See my eye now, see. Oh boy, it's not easy, man. I'm so happy for those of us who made it to 2013. Because last year, tough. Now, no. Last year, the good, the bad, the ugly. So many things. We'll just sleep, wake, things they happen. We just sleep, wake. Exactly 1 year ago, January 1. Boah! Jonathan just increased fuel. Before our very eyes. We just sleep, wake. Boah! Jonathan just changed Unilag to Mau. Moshood Abiola University. Guess level could die for Unilag. Unilag guys before they want to kill us now. Like they use the name they post. You know me, I'm in lag, as in LNG lag. You brought me to this cheap restaurant. And they make the announcement in the morning. Unilag, University of Lagos, has been changed to Moshood Abiola University, aka Mau. There's no confidence talk again. Do you know me? I can't go there go shop now. You brought me to this cheap shop. I mean, never mind. I said talk am. Mau. Come make all of them be like cow. Hey, Mau guess. Only humble. Last year, so many break up. We just sleep wake. People break up. Kate Henshaw and her husband break up. Chris Okoti and wife break up. Don Jazzy and the band break up. Medi and P Square. In fact, that one an abortion. One more time. We just sleep wake. Whitney Houston die. But when one door closes, God they open another one. See, so we don't go hear music from that kind of fine, pretty woman again. So I should go. Now, God give us turn to decay. Now, Port Harcourt again, and now again now. If that album not sell anywhere, it's supposed to say yeah now. All I wanna do is get high. Put my head in the sky. When you see me passing by, don't be shy to say hi, hi, hi. Enter studio with Tonto DK sing. Boy, the girl go laugh run. You go they say I laugh for come now for where? Guess get mind. You get mind. Boy go they spend shaggy heaven and earth for you. Like this human hair one night they annoy me. You tell boy won't get time I want to buy hair. Just I want to look good for you. 250,000. I gather courage. Give the girl the money, buy the hair in the evening. The next morning she come, Bobby, I don't think this relationship is working. Let's break up. I said, give me my hair. Like, are you serious? Give me my hair. Why did I buy razor blade when they buy the hair? Say, cut am, keep am for that drawer. My next girlfriend come, I want to buy you my hair, go that drawer. Let the relationship tire you, full am. Now make I like Oyibo girl, so if now Oyibo girl you the toast, bring her come here. Only this song, she don't agree. You don't even spend money. Nigeria girls, their eye they shine. You don't see Oyibo people the way that they fall in love. The guy go carry and go out. You know they talk say I like you, let's date, let's see how you can work out. Nothing. You go carry the girl, they go just the gist, talk of film, talk of museum, talk of zoo, talk of life. Maybe when you don't escort a rich house, they go just the gist. The love go just hit them for eye. Bah! They don't love. The next thing a kiss. Not the same for their fame. Front of the gate domot. When you just drive, park, you go come down, open door, stroll, rich door. Hope you enjoy the popcorn. She say, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the drink. Yeah, maybe we hope we can do this again. But love don't hit for eye. The girl too. Your mouth go just in here. Try and with Naija girls now. As you park the car, but she don't come down, they go. Now you call the run for wait now. You can't reach her door. Hope you enjoy the popcorn. And the juice. You can't do like say love hit you for her. Bah! She still dey blink. As you near her, one kiss her. Hey, have I said yes? You must hear yes, oh. Or else, nothing for you. Even when they want me know, you know, some people carry their children come here at the time for una self. When you reach out this night, they'll ask you, Daddy, what's the meaning of me know? You sort that problem yourself. They're not they talk if they want me know now. You know now. Bra don't come out. Follow the tide. Now when they don't finish, the girl go just turn. I love you. Yes, I love you too. Relationship does start with that too. Boy. Naija girls so now they ask person questions for unnecessary points. Question where I don't know the kind of answer where you they expect. Boy, Naija boy and Naija girls see the scenario. You don't come up bra for your mind. Hey, things don't set to you. She don't agree. At the border. Before you wait. Do you love me? What do you want me to tell you that time? Say no, I don't love you. The other day, one girl they asked me, one girl they asked my guy, the other day say, my guy, do you love me? The guy said, she asked him again, or is it just my body you want? He said, no, plus your shadow. Add up. What thing I go want? Naija girls, wanna change. Behave like American girl. Go out. One pay. Vex say no. I'll take my bill. Pay. Although if Naija girl tell me say no, I'll take my bill. Pay. I dey insist because he clear said the trap which they set for front big pass that meal. Who be the lick ice cream here? I want to know who was licking ice cream. Now you? Wow. Sorry. I just asked because when camera they show him, he not come be like ice cream, be like a camo. So I wasn't sure whether ice cream. Wait. Now you say you be a daddy. Which daddy? Biological or sugar? We like this show more no. Young girls of these days are not a fear. You see when 19-year-old they control 68 years, yeah. That make they tell women when we don't marry, remain sexy for your husband. Because those days, now when man go outside, they go see temptation. These days, temptation they everywhere. On TV temptation, billboard temptation, musical temptation. The temptation they come meet you. Remain sexy, beautiful for you. You know what these girls they do outside? You small girl like they control palais. Now only two words. Now most of these girls they talk. We just call the man. You. Man go out they smile, baby. This is what they tell you they happen inside one of these rooms as we they talk now. Now. Just two words. She go join near and licking ear. You see the man. Say naughty boy. You see the man. Who let the dogs out? Stop that thing, Joe. Who let the dogs out? You see the man call you feel like Davido. She call me boy. HKM. A package. When the man reaches you because they don't marry you, no swag, no style. You all tie wrapper for chest, sleep like masquerade. Man go just see you in mind that to go back to where they come from. The dogs out.
Thank you for having me, Port Harcourt. God bless you all. Have a lovely night.
Is published bi-monthly by Bunox Communications Limited. For enquiries, event coverage or advert placement, call 0803 360 8271, 0805 787 1199, 0702 811 3638 or 0808 152 4499 or visit www.juvenis.bunox.net. Juvenis Magazine, inspiring the young at heart.